Welcome to Art Lectures. Today, we're delving into Vincent van Gogh's remarkable self-portrait painted in 1887 during his transformative years in Paris. This period was crucial for Van Gogh as he absorbed the influences of Impressionism and Post-Impressionism, which significantly shaped his distinctive style. This self-portrait, created with oil on cardboard, measures 42 by 34 centimetre and features Van Gogh in a brown jacket and grey hat. The artist's use of vibrant colours and dynamic brushstrokes is evident in this piece, capturing not only his physical likeness, but also the intensity of his inner emotions. The light source in the painting illuminates the left side of his face, drawing attention to his piercing gaze and the thoughtful expression that hints at his turbulent inner life. The background is painted in striking shades of blue, contrasting sharply with his attire and making his figure stand out prominently. Van Gogh's technique of layering colours and bold strokes creates a sense of texture and depth, making the portrait come alive. The use of colours like white, yellow and grey adds to the realistic yet emotionally charged depiction of the artist. This self-portrait is more than a mere representation. It is a window into Van Gogh's soul, reflecting his struggles and the vibrant creativity that defined his work. It also marks a period of experimentation and growth as he moved away from darker palettes and embraced the light and colour that would characterise his later masterpieces. Thank you for joining us on Art Lectures. Please like and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of iconic artworks.